So if you want to create a AI podcast with NotebookLM, so let me show you the result first, how it going to be sound like. So if I play,
the human job landscape. It's a topic that brings up, well, both nerves and excitement, frankly. And our mission is to unpack what it really means for you. We want to get past the headlines into what this source actually says.
Yeah, and what's really interesting, I think, is how this source moves way beyond that simple idea of AI just takes jobs. It's looking at a much more complex transformation.
so if you want to create this type of podcast, I'm going to show you step by step. So watch the video till the end. So to create a podcast, you need to go to this website, which is called NotebookLM. You just need to click on Try NotebookLM and sign in with a Gmail account. And after that, you will come to this page and there will be nothing here. You just need to create a new project to create a podcast. So you just need to click on Create New. And after that, you just need to upload your sources where you going to upload any file, any PDF file, or you can add a website, you can add a YouTube link, or you can add your own paste text. You can also add Google Docs or Google Slides. So we're going to upload a PDF and make a podcast with it. So I made that PDF using Gemini about how AI will reshape the human job landscape. So I'm just going to drag and drop it, uploading in the NotebookLM. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to create this type of podcast that I already showed you. But if you want to learn the entire thing, how to use it for other use cases, you can watch this video where I showed you everything that you can do with NotebookLM. Now, after uploading the resources that I gave the PDF, it will give you a summary of what type of PDF that I uploaded here. If you want to create a podcast here, you can see there's an audio overview option and there's a deep dive conversation, which is the real podcast. So if I just click on audio overview, it will start to create the podcast about the resources that I give here. So it will take some time depending on how many resources that you add here. So if you give multiple resources like a YouTube link or any other website link that you give here, just click on add and you can go to click on website and you just have to paste the URL based on your website and what you want to learn and create a podcast about. Now, as you can see, our podcast has been created. Now, if I just click on play.
Imagine your job changing, like fundamentally, not because of a new manager, but because of an algorithm. That's the kind of powerful, sometimes maybe surprising future laid out in the document we're looking at today. We're doing a deep dive into how artificial intelligence is genuinely reshaping, the human job landscape. It's a topic that brings up, well, both nerves and excitement, frankly. And our mission is to unpack what it really means for you. We want to get past the headlines into what this source actually says.
Yeah, and what's really interesting, I think, is how this source moves way beyond that simple idea of AI just takes jobs. It's looking at a much more complex transformation.
Okay, so let's unpack this, maybe starting with a bit of history.
Yeah. So as you can see, this is a duo host where they're actually talking about like a podcast with my PDF with Gemini. So you can create any type of podcast that you want. You can upload your own PDF or you can add any website that you want to create a podcast. Or you can also add any YouTube video link and this NotebookLM will give you a summary of that video and you can create a podcast from that video. And you can also download this. So just click on the three-dot menu and just click on download and it will download it on your PC. So that's it, guys. This is the tutorial that I want to show you. This is very easy now to create any podcast with AI. So if you found this video helpful, I always come up with the latest tech and tech tutorial video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.